Hi, this is Pranav Goa Thakurta from EduTV. Today, we are with Ms. Madhvi Goswami, Principal, Cambridge School, Srinivaspuri, New Delhi, one of the famous schools of our country. And ma'am has been training, mentoring students from so many years and handing them over to the universities and society. Ma'am, a very important advice we want from you is how much autonomy or freedom parents should give to their wards, their sons, their daughters. Over to you, ma'am.
Children are not our property. Basically, they are with us for the time being. And our responsibility is to groom them, is to empower them, is to skill them. But that comes with a lot of saying that they need independence. They are fully grown, mature individuals who can think on their own. So it's important to give them autonomy. I would like to mention over here, we all have heard about the helicopter parenting. Helicopter parenting is very satisfying for parents, but trust me, it's not so satisfying for children. Why? Because children are born intelligent. Every human has mind of its own. So they need independence and a sense of belongingness to something which they are doing. So if we allow them to choose the course and career for themselves, they owe it. They take full responsibility and onus of what they're choosing. And that is the starting point of their success. I would like to mention over here that there is a term called lighthouse parenting. Like they are in the vast sea. Children are like just they are in the vast sea of opportunities. So it is very important that they should explore the sea, but at the same time, they should be guided. So I'm not saying that parents should stay away. They should be like a lighthouse or a beacon of light. Like the light should be guiding them where to go, how to navigate the vast sea, but it is important to explore the sea. The wilderness of the sea and the vastness of the sea is for theirs to explore because their light, nobody can fathom the amount of success they will get when they navigate through that ocean with your support. So dear parents, from this platform, I want to say, give limited independence and a guided independence to children in allowing them to choose their course and career and be there for their support. We are here to support them. The community thrives when they are supported. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm sure your advice will be helpful to all the parents, students, teachers, and all our million eyes across 28 countries. Thank you so much, Madhvi.